so there's a hiking trail back here. Okay, so T-Kirk Media here, Subaru Saturday vlog. We are driving through Seven Lakes Drive, cruising. I'm with my buddy Mike, and he's got his bugeye, and we're just kind of taking it easy. I mean, yeah, we're loading it up when we can because it's fun. Why not? Oh, do you hear that? Holy shit. Sounds crazy. Oh, he's scared of bicyclists. And bicyclists, dude, there's a fucking lane for a reason. Holy shit. I gotta be right next to my fucking homie. Choking on air, man. I'm just choking on fresh air. Let's go, dude. These mosquitoes probably sucked like a quart of my blood. I am trying to get a 6-speed on order. Yeah, you grenade this bitch. We're out here all day waiting for a tow truck. Fucking crazy ass. Dude, this is actually really cool. Gates locked at 4. We can do a little shoot here, something. Pull a fucking 5-speed massacre over here, bro. I'm slightly scared for you. We've got the gimbal out, just fucking around. The cars are dirty. We're just fucking off today, cruising. I just wanted to mess around with the gimbal and play with it before Sunday's show. But definitely, obviously, we have some shooting to come, and I got to figure this thing out quite a bit more and play with the camera a bit more. That dude's got fender exit exhaust. Yep. That thing is a lot faster than mine. Mine easily 300.